Hey DIY clubbers, stay tuned to see how to make this 1, 2, 3, 4 cake. All right, y'all, let's get started. Cakin and Bakin. So we, of course, are going to start by greasing our bun pan. You don't want your cake to be stuck. And you want to also make sure that you go ahead and flour it down. Once you go ahead and get this pan coated, you just set it to the side. Now, of course, we're going to go ahead and start by creaming our butter, 2 sticks of butter, and our sugar together. Go ahead and set them out prior to the time that you were making this cake so that it can get nice and soft, because nothing's worse than trying to cream hard butter. So once you get to mixing the butter, loosening it up, you're going to start to add your sugar to your butter mixture and mix until it is nice and creamy. Make sure there's no lumps and make sure that the mixture is smooth. Next, we're going to start adding our eggs in one at a time, making sure that you mix completely. You don't want any raw egg just floating around in your batter, so make sure you mix completely after you add each of your eggs. Now, once all your wet ingredients are combined, you want to start adding in your dry ingredient, which is your flour, and you're going to alternate each addition of the flour with your milk. Now, also to your flour that you sifted earlier, you'll want to make sure you added your other dry ingredients so that everything will be combined completely. So alternate between your flour and your milk and mix until completely combined. Yeah, you see them 2 extra ingredients over there? I didn't. My mom walked by and was like, "Girl, want me to add these?" And I was like, "Oop, yes." Oopsie. Now to get to the baking part of this video, you're going to add your cake to an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees. Ooh-wee, if you can't stand that heat, you better get out the kitchen. Ooh, look how good that cake look. Now for the moment of truth, where we see if we prepared our pan correctly. And here is the completed 1, 2, 3, 4 cake. Guys, this came out really well. Look at the detail, the flakiness. I love a cake that has just a little bit of that crunch and crust on the outside of it. That's how you know it was baked really well. Look how springy the cake is, you guys. I just had to cut it on camera so you could see what the inside looks like. Ooh, look how flaky. This cake was so fluffy. It was literally like biting into a cloud. Let me get y'all in on this here texture. Ooh. Yes, I would definitely say that this was a success. Hey clubbers, thanks for joining me for another video this week. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys.